Yes, out of for a higher express GATV, what you say? Also for like in the message of pass when you subscribe to this YouTube channel, message of subscribe. What do I be me a notification tone so na bebuama update be also sabe can we like ya share comment to your YouTube post no send be latest update be also once ebe kam minia. Yes. Yeah, kwa nsem so dia na ye kwa ye Nigerian artist a friend say superstar ba kope I say Obo Davido. Yes, Davido no. And Stone Boy African dancehall titan. Yes. And Shatta Wale African dancehall king. Odofo say Emrano Bono say bi anko yi amamunia fanasa because in this platform they respect obia equal and ye treat obia equal no matter how. Because yambroge enfam obia asemi ebeto obia say ye politics say ye entertainment lifestyle sports bibia ye ne ka enti ye ni favorite say we ye favorite and I say we ye favorite no kra ne beto ha ye de ba besum ye viewers caption nyina ne say ye se Shatta Stone Boy etan Shatta Wale ampa titiru pa ne ade amkrofo bebre so e kan ne nyina ne say eche bia na Shatta Wale kopie mu e wo Miami Okoboni show ewo New Jersey na no na wo show car bi a wotim say edian na da so Rolls Royce askafo car bi o ene Ghana for say pia our brand friend say Shatta Wale so ayeden ayade e ma Shatta Wale kura ba bonte be ka say we dey is just like popcorn what you say on ka sign or prune nim tipo ne me ka say wo hwa private jet bi etwa so e ma san sem no ewo Shatta ewo Stone Boy ni nkomo diem ewo the dosti abra no ne twetwe komo no manga na funya enti ase say 80% of what they show on social media no fake na say ye kom na say num asukwa we will get to know the real owner of that what property em Ghana for express GTV man more powerful because say we yes na we resist stress now ma some pressure be that some youth for be so air cost because who say bi Stone Boy sa necklace we ya obe force so be she bi ba Stone Boy person kire say sometimes say who come deeper you get to know the nkrofo a omo sa enoma no na eche bia na Shatta Wale any papa e friend say Obo Davido yes ekonya ya kasakasa kakra ne nyina say Shatta Wale tweet e can say me the fa papa omo like they depend on their father wealth what they say omo papa sika omanya na omo enjoy bi o se san crofo no masa 24/7 omo de omo angasa hase omanya de omo angasa se na omo ni fifre omanya and omo enjoy it san crofo no de bogo so kura no kan sa na no enya reaction bi e free papa friend say Obo Davido onzo ka se masa kite piriki wari ase Cote d'Ivoire for be se fukite la ba free wako we dey asem na wo kan sa no ko community a osesa man depend on his father money say na ka sa woni ye pe dabi wo mbe ye kra no so e kan bibi sa ayetwete ye kama platform we so wo koso a obenya ahwe ahu de we si eden eko Shatta Wale Rolls Royce Davido Rolls Royce Stone Boy ababonti abekan se media fa Davido ni Rolls Royce no no na papa anase blogger I friend say Shatia Merisa big up to you Shatia baby obia metwa okruse Shatia Merisa so ababonten abetwro nsem bi akroche nsem e dia fa papa friend say Stone Boy yes one god na no Ghanaians both Stone Boy and Shatta Wale fans so a clash big time otim say menua jadem enye asem ekuma any saying Shatta Merisa esha se atwro ni say making kanyo me wia Stone Boy reaction be su na kwan Ghana fon so far so react ye no say de we say it me fan kam mo ye de bebremo ama mo so mahu de we esi eden eko Shatta Merisa say at someone who jealous of Shatta Wale's success congrats at Davido on his new Rolls Royce 2 days after Shatta Wale bought his own says be happy for people's success or say if not jealous and envy you won't ignore your own cousin and go all the way to Nigeria to congratulate someone who is not even part of your industry than to say family member what I say or say your ignores the one in your house with the same success and on this answer the pie now post two picture with Stone Boy and Davido and caption in and say was reality check it choke be happy for people succeed and Stone Boy so one god what the fire and Snapchat sound so at the bar. Yeah, oh, you know, say, wa congratulate Papa if say the video say, wa born home, they say, what toss customize a Rose West, no, and I shall tell me as Shatia Marisa. Sorry, Shatia Marisa said that you dream on Tias or Tias so on Viejo. Say, wouldn't you pa? Yes, I did. We now went to me, man, Abaso now. I bought the video Abaso the NHS. What tiny pay? Nanaba Sack was it today, dear? I'm beginning to bear with you cause this is totally envious. Or is it because he wants to be relevant at Nigeria markets and on the SMH? You know, so edit to home. Nah, ya body, Zirahi, I was say, John, if the car belongs to Shatta by now, Ghana don't turn Brad. And then we don't know Wale and even swimming pool cry, he brag now Rose West John. And also this answer at the bar, yeah. I was saying, Gali Brad, Ras Makoni, was saying, Stonebwoy is actually envying Wale truly. And also this answer at the bar, yeah. Now, what's up, Punya, Anthony, was say, why? Why are you now trying to manage the one guard? Nah, you will buy the credit or fund for him. Dia ade wono na odi enye dia come de no and all this answer the boy. One guard decided why, when and where and how to manage his affairs period Jimmy and on also this answer the boy. Salam. Frank Lesnar was say, hey, do you purposely create this page to attack Stonebwoy? Can you once publish good about him? In case you aren't aware, one guy is BET award winner and Grammy nominee. Okay, and on this answer at the bar, yeah. Stephen Hulari was saying, who told you Shatta bought Rolls Royce? The guy is shooting his video. Why? And and also Edis answered by, excuse me, Prince Akani was saying, me, one thing I love about my artist is these things. Don't worry him because he is graduate. And also this answered by, this guy is not a blogger, but rather a Satan. And a brand sepa terem. And so everybody now is Game Boy Ofankana was saying, I hope you do that Shatta Wale hide the Rose Ross. And I want also edit and so edit Edeba na me fa we twa to Marcelo Kobe Rich Boy Eugene we and I mean twa to saying, so did you create this page to paint Stonebwoy black every day? Please let's write something nice about our artists, then to always paint them black every time bad news travels. Please what you say about we can say me down the point and so area take kakra. So what you say sometimes say wo publish ade bi na say wa dwen ni say wo paint Stonebwoy Shatta Wale say akwa de na nado otumfo black amenia wo paint wa on black. What I say, because the moment now my brand in very basa, no matter no one will come and even visit their channel or even their page. Say you are like or person linking up with them because at the end we are painting on more black. It sometimes the panels are connect and so now so Stonebwoy information be a bad news about him. It if be motivate any artist say or linking up with if you are Stonebwoy Shatta Wale and I say Sakwadi and I say Ghana mu ani pa bia. It's a cancer brand in the amenia. I was saying you know who can be fast brand. Sometimes say Shatta Wale any come home then support no say Stonebwoy any come home na support no say Sakwadi asa na nyina ye kan so say ban say pure practical say nya sa practical so dey ye hu bibia eto samenia Marcelo Kobe Rich Boy Eugene my comment so react ni nyina say you are talking about branding and one thing is say GH for Agasano be brain now follow entertainment no or do entertainment na by the way branding ankasa no enya they say be brain na head etiase because one him say we normal menia enyo normal what say because the moment I open Shatta Wale black no the moment artist be free baby or person link up with Shatta Wale no be connect ne so or be post Shatta Wale information about Shatta Wale will come now be say ohwe that's all the good scale of preference no who say Shatta Wale the bad news no doesn't change the good news and you didn't no be link up with someone who is bad which his own country has painted that person black. The guy is talking sense here, but in all, no, according to post now you read the edema, no, say Stonebwoy etan Shatawale, say Shatawale etan Stonebwoy, say wine time wine. Once who perception there, who are dream cry, who also between fast aquine so reacted to this and seminal big time. Not of all. Now because a within I prepare our comment section at 2 amount, and you can you be a beam, and you would comment with the oppressor who can be a can feel free and say everything you want. What you say, no one is going to attack you personally. I say, aha, what shall I be rich from you? Subscribe it. And you see, I didn't hear papa notification bell on fans. I also say cream a bebo on can update be a minia. Oh, like an idea only only saw the mamma. Remember, boza now so I'm a make best. Minia, Mamma was say, you be shabby, macrow.